Noel, go down there and pick one of those leaves.
Oh, are these leeks?
You're right. You remembered. I didn't even have to test you. Now crush it up a little. Rip it so you can smell it. What's it smell like?
It smells like fresh chopped vegetables grilled.
It should smell like onion. Yeah, onion, not just any vegetable.
Grilled.
Come here, Creed.
And chicken and
Creed.
onion.
Pick a leaf of that. Now rip it in half. Now smell it. Smell that? Does it smell good?
Can I taste it?
Yeah. What do you think?
Tastes like nothing. Now I can taste it. Tastes like a new type of vegetable.
It's leek.
I'm gonna try it. Mmm.
Now those watching this, unless you're absolutely sure what you got, obviously, don't do that at home. But I've been doing this a while, and that's definitely leek. See, it just looks like almost like a plant you'd have around your house, but the dead giveaway's the onion smell. Alrighty.